All right, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo. Just arrived. This one came in the regular, normal Zippo black box. You can see the chimney pattern, those little dots on the front. And the label on this says Windy with Zippo background. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA, not just America, but the USA. And it's got the California warning on it, made in Bradford, PA. So here is the new Zippo. You can see the Zippo logo. And it's another Windy Girl. It's got the red Zippo background. It's on a street chrome finish. And this number was made in G of 18. I think that's July. Really good stampings on this one, made in USA. Good sound. Lights up just nicely. Let's do a drop test on this. A lit drop test. Try it again. It kind of bounced. Okay, these Zippos are not only windproof, but usually drop proof. So there is a good collector's item. It's the Windy Girl with the Zippo background. It's a nice one. I already have a few Windy Zippos. Here's a couple of them. There's probably a dozen of these available. But since they're all made in the USA, they definitely deserve cowbell. But if you don't like cowbell anymore, just turn your sound off. Knuckle bump.